Hi, Rob. Thanks for troubleshooting this with me. I'm really excited to use it. I think it's going to help me stay organized a lot. But um, so here are some of the struggles I'm running into. We just started this unit, so um, the first thing that I noticed is that sometimes when I have more students than it's like pre-formatted for, there's a couple of errors that come up. I think I caught all of them by using the trick of like copying. What I did was I copied and then I did edit paste special and I did paste conditional formatting, and that seemed to catch all of the additional students for each class. Ours is kind of a mess because we have multiple cohorts right now with the hybrid model. So okay, first thing that I couldn't figure out was adding the kids who are ahead or need to revise. What I saw you do in the video is copy the same code here in this gray bar over to all of those additional ones. Oops, I didn't quite grab the whole thing. Oops, no, not that. Okay, so what happened for me when I did that is that it just lists all of these students who are ahead of pace rather than on pace. So I'm not sure what is wrong about how I've got this set up. But these students are actually on pace and it's listing them in this ahead category. And I don't actually have anyone who needs to revise, but when I copy and paste that same code here, that same exact list comes up. So I'm sure it's probably just something that I don't know about using Google Sheets rather than something wrong with the sheet. But that was the first thing, is I was struggling with the ahead of pace and revise. And then the second thing was just being able to correct mistakes when they happen. So like I copied and pasted the conditional formatting, but for whatever reason, there's all these extra gray boxes here that make it a little confusing for how to visualize it. And for some of them, it looks like the queue that should be set off so that mastered becomes gray and moves over here to now. Like something about the way I copied and pasted the formatting isn't working. So those are the two things. And again, the ahead of pace and the revise, like I'm not doing something correct to make the forms talk to each other properly. So I'm sure this is my lack of knowledge, but if you were able to help me, it would be amazing. So anyway, thanks so much. I'm going to send you this screencast and also a link to my version, because maybe you can see something that I cannot see about what's wrong with it. Thank you.